Tulip is already used by some of the world's largest manufacturers to augment their operations and empower their people with apps that guide work, replace paper, and collect data from machines and people. We created Factory Kit because we wanted to make it even easier to get started with Tulip. Built for engineers, it has everything you need to build and deploy manufacturing apps. It includes Tulip's I/O gateway to connect and interact with your devices. Tulip's Light Kit, alongside other plug-and-play sensors, guide your teams and monitor production. Getting started is simple. On your own, you can build and deploy your first app within minutes. A graphical user interface with drag-and-drop functionality lets you build apps that interact with your devices without knowing how to code. You can go from prototype to production with everything in the box. And when you're ready, it's easy to scale to your entire organization. Continuously improve with apps that collect actionable data and give you insights that increase your team's productivity, the quality of their output, and the efficiency of your operations. Factory Kit, the building blocks of your digital factory. Get yours at tulip.co.